Benefits of drinking 8 glasses of water a day. Did you know that roughly 60% of the human body is water? Drinking enough water every day is crucial to your health and supports almost all body functions. Most people get enough fluids from foods and beverages, but many are chronically dehydrated. While there is no set daily amount of water that a person should drink, we recommend 8 glasses of water for the average person. Here are some reasons why your body needs water. Number 1. Lubricates your joints. Water helps keep your joints lubricated and flexible. It is estimated that approximately 70% of your joint cartilage consists of water. Number 2. Forms saliva and mucus. Did you know that saliva is 99% water? Drinking plenty of water helps keep your mouth moist and can reduce dry mouth symptoms. Number 3. Delivers oxygen throughout the body. Water enables your circulatory system to deliver oxygen and nutrients to your cells. Water also removes toxins and other wastes from cells and your body. Number 4. Boosts skin health and beauty. Drinking 2 cups of water can immediately boost blood flow to your skin, which gives it an even tone. By drinking water, you also help your body flush out toxins that can damage your skin and your body. Number 5. Regulates body temperature. Staying hydrated helps regulate your body temperature. Signs of dehydration include increased body temperature and heart rate.